half-eaten dosa. So tell me, Molly, what are some of the fruits that you've been able to eat here in Sri Lanka?
Well, papaya, look at the slice I have finished. So I just cut them and then eat them piece by piece. And pineapple is one of the best fruits I find here. It's very tender and sweet.
So why do these fruits grow well here?
Well, I think the climate has a lot to do with it. It's very humid and hot, and year round. It's hot, humid. And I think fruits like this, tropical fruits, very lovely in this type of climate. And the soil probably very rich as well. So grow papaya, pineapple, banana. Oh man, I have the best bananas in Sri Lanka. They're just so soft and tender and sweet. I just love it.